When it comes to home improvements, few projects make as big an impact as replacing your front or exterior doors. For homeowners in St. James, a new door is more than just a way to enter and exit the house. It's a critical investment in safety, curb appeal, and long-term value. Whether your current doors are outdated, showing signs of wear, or simply don't match your style, upgrading them can transform your property in meaningful ways. Strengthening home security. The primary function of any door is to protect your home, and door replacement in St. James directly enhances security. Older doors, especially those made with weaker materials, can be vulnerable to forced entry. Modern replacement doors are built with advanced technology and durable materials like steel, fiberglass, and reinforced wood, which make break-ins much harder. Upgraded locking systems, such as multi-point locks or smart locks, add another layer of safety. These features are particularly valuable in today's world, where homeowners prioritize not only physical security but also peace of mind. By investing in a replacement door, you're creating a stronger barrier between your family and potential threats. Boosting curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. In St. James, where neighborhoods are known for their charm and character, a stylish door can set your house apart. Door replacement is an easy way to refresh your exterior, adding a modern, welcoming touch that reflects your personal taste. From bold colors to classic wood finishes, new doors offer endless design options. Decorative glass inserts, sleek hardware, and custom finishes allow you to tailor the look to complement your home's architecture. The result? A fresh, polished appearance that enhances both curb appeal and pride of ownership. Improving energy efficiency. Beyond looks and safety, door replacement also improves your home's comfort and efficiency. Many older doors lack proper insulation, which can lead to drafts and higher energy bills. Modern replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like insulated cores, weather stripping, and double or triple pane glass help maintain indoor temperatures year-round. For St. James homeowners, this means lower heating costs in the winter and reduced cooling expenses during the summer, without sacrificing comfort. Over time, the savings on energy bills can even help offset the cost of the replacement. Enhancing everyday functionality. A new door isn't just about what people see from the outside. It also improves your daily living experience. Replacement doors are built for smooth operation, meaning no more sticking, squeaking, or struggling to lock. Many options also include features like built-in blinds, side lights, or wider openings that increase convenience and usability. Whether you're welcoming guests, carrying in groceries, or simply enjoying a breeze through a patio door, the difference in functionality is immediately noticeable. Increasing property value. For those thinking about resale, door replacement in St. James can significantly boost home value. Prospective buyers often view a new, secure, and attractive front door as a sign that the property has been well maintained. This makes your home more appealing and market-ready. According to industry reports, exterior improvements like door replacements often deliver one of the highest returns on investment among remodeling projects. It's a practical upgrade that benefits you now and in the future. Final thoughts. Door replacement in St. James is more than just a cosmetic change. It's a smart home improvement that blends security, efficiency, style, and value. By upgrading your doors, you're not only protecting your family but also giving your home the polished look it deserves. Whether your goal is modern security features, enhanced curb appeal, or a more energy-efficient home, a new door delivers on all fronts. For homeowners looking to elevate both style and safety, there's no better time to explore the benefits of door replacement. It's an upgrade you'll appreciate every day.